Well, guys, I have never heard anything as funny as this. So, the MasterCard is saying that we will be supporting cryptocurrencies provided it's a national cryptocurrency, it's a gov coin. I mean, tell me something. What's the point of using the MasterCard on a cryptocurrencies? The only reason the MasterCard use is because of the speed, because it can be swiped anywhere. Now, it is the same thing that cryptocurrency brings into picture. It can be sent anywhere to anyone across the globe on the phone. So why do you actually need a MasterCard? And then you want to support only national cryptocurrencies. I mean, national cryptocurrencies, what value would they have anyway against all these decentralized cryptocurrencies? I mean, nobody is ever going to use the national cryptocurrencies, right? So this is funny as hell. Now this is what MasterCard has to say. And I do think that these traditional companies, these traditional players right now which exist, are in the panic mode. So somehow they want to adopt, but they want to stay away. They want to adopt, but this is the condition. And this is what is happening right now. Welcome back to Crypto Conversation. My name is Shiv, and this channel we talk about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain, ICOs. In case you're new, consider subscribing. Let's go ahead and check out some important news. Again, this is not a financial investment advice, just my personal opinion. So this is the news from MasterCard. Very happy to use cryptocurrency, just not the real ones. Tell me something. The national cryptocurrency are not going to be the real ones. I mean, what's the difference between the fiat money and the national cryptocurrency anyway? It's just the digital form of the fiat money, right? So here it says the credit card giant MasterCard is said to be keeping its option open on adopting the use of cryptocurrencies under a few caveats. The company reportedly wants to facilitate only regulated central-based issued non-anonymous coins. Where will they find these coins? I wonder. While such instruments are arguably not cryptocurrencies at all by definition, they also do not exist as yet, guys. What all is going on? Anyway, right, this is very interesting. So this is what I found. Now, the company's senior executive said that MasterCard is running a cryptocurrency pilot program in Singapore. Are they coming up with their own token as well? Who knows? I mean, everyone is coming with their own token nowadays. So allowing some clients to cash out of Bitcoin into card. Is that for real? So MasterCard is coming up with something wherein you can encash your Bitcoin into a MasterCard. Is that possible? But he said, however, this test is not of scale as yet, and the company has no exposure to Bitcoin's price. So in short, they are not working. They are just thinking on that. So it says, we are not operating trading of Bitcoin through MasterCard network. Mr. Sarkar said, the pilot is a toe in the water. We are fully cognizant of the reputational risk. There were strict KYC, AML, know your customer, anti-money laundering controls, he added. If you want my opinion, I definitely think that a MasterCard cannot actually support a cryptocurrencies because they exist because of the bank, because of the fiat currency. The one thing that Master and Visa card do is they facilitate this fiat currency transaction every day. And that's the real use cases, and the cryptocurrencies are going to take away their use cases at all. So along with the banks, even Visa and MasterCards also under threat with the cryptocurrencies. Let me know your opinion. What do you think? This is something very interesting that I found. It says that Ethereum's ICO whales can crash the market anytime. Now, if you have been into the space, you will know that most of the ICOs have been raising funds in the form of Ethereum. It could be maybe for a dApp, or it could be to build their own protocol. So any ICO is raised basically to fund the project, to spend on the infrastructure, to hire developers, and to build the team, you know. And so what happens, because since these ICOs have got all the Ethereum with them, it's quite obvious that they are going to cash out, just like Mt. Gox was trying to cash out the Bitcoin. Here it says the crypto whales are generally thought of as wealthy traders with the ability to move markets via single sale order. Yet the greatest whales are not traders but ICOs, which own millions of Ether worth of billions of dollars. Over 3% of the total Ethereum supply is estimated to be in the hands of ICOs. And when those projects cash out, as periodically happens, the effect can be dramatic. Now this is something that I never thought of, but this is very interesting. These ICOs are going to cash out, and then what happens to the Ethereum price? Something to definitely be aware of. At least 3.4% of all Ethereum is locked up into ICOs. Fear of whale. Well, in my opinion, if you ask me, I do think that Ethereum is under a little bit pressure right now. I'm not really sure what's going to happen with Ethereum in the near future, but again, take your own decision, guys. So this is interesting again. So Israeli crypto companies banned from stock exchange indices. Now this is funny as hell once again. So we just heard in the morning that one of the hotel in New York is going to tokenize their company and going to distribute, so that will be token economy. And I'm not surprised. This stock exchange has stopped an Israeli cryptocurrency company to be listed from the stock market, which is very natural. What's going to happen probably in the future is that maybe all the companies will have a tokenization model and the cryptocurrency. So stock market are anyway going to disappear, in my opinion. I mean, we keep hearing that the stock market crash is coming. Maybe that's true, and once the stock market really happens, it might not be able to pick up. So well, it really doesn't impact the company, in my opinion, because these companies have other options which is far better than listing them in stock market. You can put them into coin market, the crypto market. Of course, the last one that I want to share is definitely, you must have heard about this news, which I already covered on my channel, is Coinbase has revealed partnership with Barclays Bank. This is again in terms of adoption. So Coinbase has opened up a Barclays account. What does it mean? It simplifies the fiat deposits and withdrawal for UK customer. This is definitely an achievement for the Coinbase, because imagine most of the banks are still refusing to provide banking service to a lot of cryptocurrency exchanges, and in this case, if the Barclays Bank is supporting, there has to be something that Barclays have understood, and of course it's a good thing that happened with Coinbase. That's all I have for you right now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know your opinion on what do you think about MasterCard strategy to support only national based cryptocurrencies. Are they still required? Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.